Nau Mai. Hi, my name is Tyra.
And mo Aotearoa Winton School, I'm Walter. Welcome to the news for Ra'apa the 24th of June.
Okay, we start the day with te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is Takuta, which is te reo for doctor, as in te Takuta ahau, I'm a doctor.
Are you? Oh, I've got a sore arm.
That'll be $50, thank you.
I think I'll just tough it out.
Ka pai, Ra'apa is a library day, open from 12:40 until 1:10 for browsing, issues and returns.
There are librarians ready to help and it's nice and warm. Remember to leave your shoes at the door.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
School choir news. You have no practice today.
Next rehearsal is Friday after lunch.
Okay, a reminder about the grass areas around the school that are out of bounds. Most students are thinking carefully about where to play and making wise choices in the playground.
This includes icy areas, so please reduce the risk of serious injuries and stay away from the ice. Kia ora.
High-vis vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
ASOP posters, please have them into the office by Friday.
Inter-house competition news. The Year 5 and 6 round of the Paper Plane Challenge is on Thursday.
10 finalists have been found, 10 more to go. Year 7 and 8s, you're up on Friday.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay away from the ice, Winton School.